Today, we're taking you deep inside this industry, from crab traps in the open sea to high-tech processing lines handling thousands of crabs every hour. Welcome to Factory Founder, where we explore the world's most incredible manufacturing, harvesting, and industrial processes.
The journey begins out on the open water, where fishing vessels travel miles into productive coastal ecosystems.
Almost ready to move the pallets.
Blue crabs are typically harvested using specialized wire traps, often called crab pots. These traps are carefully designed to allow crabs to enter but make it difficult for them to escape. Each trap is baited with fish or other seafood that attracts crabs through scent. Fishermen lower these traps deep into the water using ropes attached to floating markers that identify their location. Thousands of traps may be deployed across large fishing areas, forming underwater networks that quietly wait for crabs to wander inside. Once submerged, the traps begin doing their job. As the sun rises over the water, the real work begins. Fishing crews move from marker to marker, retrieving traps using powerful hydraulic trap haulers mounted on the sides of their boats. The haulers grip the rope and pull the heavy traps from the depths of the ocean. As each trap breaks the surface, seawater pours from the wire cage.
Lowering now! Clear the rail! Watch your hands! And deploy!
And inside, dozens of lively blue crabs scuttle and snap their claws. The trap is lifted onto the deck, where crew members quickly open it and empty the catch onto sorting tables. The deck instantly becomes alive with movement as crabs scatter across the wet surface. Not every crab can be kept. Fishermen carefully inspect the catch, sorting the crabs according to strict fishing regulations. Small crabs, egg-bearing females, or protected species are returned to the ocean to ensure the long-term sustainability of the crab population. The remaining healthy adult blue crabs are placed into large onboard storage containers filled with circulating seawater. This keeps the crabs alive and fresh during transport.
Keep them moving. Pull that winch line. Watch the stack, it's getting high. Sort by size, we need the big ones next. Look at this hole. Beautiful. Keep them moving, don't want them getting packed too tight. Watch that one, big blue. Yeah, he's a beauty. Let's get him in the flow. Another dozen here, going strong.
This efficient system allows fishermen to harvest enormous quantities of crabs while maintaining the health of the ecosystem. Once the storage tanks on the vessel are filled with live blue crabs, the boats head back toward shore. Here, the next stage of the journey begins. At large seafood docks and processing facilities, workers prepare to receive thousands of kilograms of freshly harvested crabs. The crabs are unloaded from the boats into transport crates or water tanks designed to maintain their freshness and prevent damage. From here, they move directly into large-scale seafood processing plants, where the transformation begins.
Boxes are cleared, send more crabs down. Keep your grip. This one's heavy. Just a little further. Okay, get ready.
Inside the processing facility, the atmosphere is busy and carefully controlled. Workers wearing waterproof aprons, gloves, and protective gear prepare for a fast-paced operation designed to process enormous quantities of blue crabs every day. The first step is conveyor feeding. Crates of live crabs are gently emptied onto long stainless steel conveyor belts that carry them deeper into the facility. The conveyors ensure a steady flow of crabs while minimizing damage and stress to the animals. But before further processing can begin, the crabs must be thoroughly cleaned. As the conveyor belts move forward, the blue crabs enter large rotating drum washing machines. These industrial washers spray the crabs with high-pressure jets of clean water. The rotating motion gently tumbles the crabs, while the water removes sand, mud, algae, and debris from their shells. This cleaning stage is essential to maintain hygiene and ensure the final seafood product meets strict food safety standards. The result is a continuous stream of freshly washed blue crabs ready for the next stage of processing.
Keep it moving. Crates are full. Watch the spray.
After washing, the crabs move into an advanced mechanical sorting system. These machines use specially designed channels and rotating guides to separate the crabs based on size and weight. Different sizes of crabs produce different grades of meat, and separating them helps maintain consistency in the final products. Workers monitor the sorting lines carefully, removing any damaged or dead crabs and ensuring only healthy specimens move forward. This combination of machine precision and human supervision ensures the highest product quality. Once sorted, the blue crabs enter the shell separation stage, where the real transformation begins. Traditionally, cracking crab shells was done entirely by hand. Today, many processing plants combine skilled human labor with specialized machinery. Some crabs are fed into mechanical shell cracking machines that apply controlled pressure to break the shell without crushing the delicate meat inside. Other crabs are handled by workers who use specialized tools to crack the claws and body sections. This process requires both speed and precision. The goal is to break the shells cleanly while preserving as much meat as possible. After cracking, the separated crab sections move into the meat extraction phase. Workers use small tools to carefully remove the meat from the shell cavities. The meat is then separated into different product categories. Claw meat, known for its rich flavor and darker color, is collected separately. Lump meat, which comes from the larger body muscles, is prized for its large, delicate flakes and premium quality. Smaller pieces of meat are also collected for use in processed seafood products. During this stage, workers inspect the meat carefully to remove any remaining shell fragments. Quality control is extremely important to ensure the final product is safe and enjoyable for consumers. Every batch of crab meat undergoes strict quality checks. Technicians examine the meat for color, freshness, texture, and cleanliness. Some facilities also use advanced detection systems to identify shell fragments or foreign materials. Only meat that passes these inspections continues to the next stage. Maintaining consistent quality is essential for building trust with seafood distributors and consumers.
Looks good, consistent output.
Once approved, the crab meat moves to the packaging area. Here, it is carefully weighed and portioned into containers. Some meat is packaged fresh, while other portions are vacuum sealed or sealed in airtight containers to extend shelf life. Packaging machines label each container with important information, including weight, origin, processing date, and quality grade. This traceability ensures food safety and allows the product to be tracked through the entire supply chain. After packaging, the crab meat is moved into massive refrigerated storage rooms. These cold environments maintain precise temperatures that preserve freshness and prevent spoilage.
Pallet coming through. Watch the clearance. Loaded. Next one.
Temperatures are holding at 35 and 26, confirming the monitors.
Perfect. Now cross-check the batch numbers one last time.
Verified. Pallets secured and ready for transport.
Pallet secured. Moving to location 1015. Temperature reading verified and within acceptable parameters. Placement looks accurate. Proceed with confirmation.
Pallet secured and ready for transport.
Roger that. Proceed to Bay 3.
Affirmative. Delivering to Bay 3 now.
Preparing to inspect next load.
Okay, temps are good.
Secure these. Another batch is coming in.
Copy that. Next pallets are on the way.
The batch is ready for shipment.
Moving it to the loading bay now.
Verify the traceability labels.
Keep them moving to Bay 3. Position that load on the far right. Watch your turns, driver.
Behind every plate of blue crab is a massive industry powered by fishermen, engineers, factory workers, and seafood traders. Every year, hundreds of thousands of tons of blue crabs move through this complex system. And with demand for seafood continuing to grow, this remarkable industry shows no sign of slowing down. The next time you see blue crab on a menu or at a seafood market, remember the incredible journey it has taken. From the depths of the ocean to advanced processing facilities and bustling seafood markets, each step represents skill, dedication, and an industry that feeds millions. And behind it all are the fishermen who rise before dawn, working tirelessly to harvest one of the ocean's most valuable treasures, the blue crab.